Now in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Metamask in a browser. I'm using the Brave browser, but you can set up Metamask with Firefox, Chrome and Windows browser. You can't use it with Safari, okay? So the process is more or less the same for whatever browser you're using. Once you come to metamask.io, I'll leave the link for this below the video. You click on download and that's going to bring you to this here. You've got Chrome, iOS and Android, okay? So you've got install for Chrome and all you need to do is click install. That's going to open up a window like this and it's going to say add to browser. You get this pop up, add the extension, and you'll see that it appears at the top there, okay? So as I say, I'm in the Brave browser. So what I need to do now, because you can't actually see it, so if you go on that little jigsaw puzzle there, and then what you want to do is click on the pin, you see, and that will pop it up the top there. And if I unpin it, it removes it. So I click it on the pin, and that's it pinned at the top there. And now it says it opened this tab automatically with the fox's head. I love that, how it moves around. And it says connecting you to the Ethereum decentralized web. We're happy to see you. So I'm going to get started with a brand new wallet. So click get started. Now it will give me this screen. It will say, no, I already have a recovery phrase. Well, I'm not going to use a recovery phrase. I'm going to set up a completely new wallet. So I'm going to create a new wallet and it's going to ask me to agree to this. So I'm just going to click agree. Now it's asking me to create a password. So once I've created the password, put a tick in that box and click create. Now it's going to take you to a video actually that shows you how to secure your wallet. So I'd recommend that you watch that video, but I'm going to click on next. Then it's going to take me to this page here where it says my secret recovery phase. Now you don't want to share this with anybody, but because I'm making this video, I won't use the wallet. I'm happy to share it. So I'm going to click on there and that is your secret recovery. Now, you really want to write that down on a notepad. You don't want to copy it and save it on your computer. You want to write it in a notepad so that you can find it again should your computer crash. Don't take a picture with your phone. You don't want to keep it in your phone. But what I tend to do is to write it down and get it put on say a size of a business card and then get it laminated. Laminate it and keep it in your wallet or in your drawer or wherever you want to keep it. But you must keep it safe because whoever has this secret phase can get access to your wallet and obviously get access to your funds. So once you've made a note of that, you click next. Now what it's going to ask you to do is to choose the recovery phrase in order. Once you've clicked all those buttons and put them in, click confirm. And if you've got it right, it will move you on to the next screen. And it says, congratulations, you're all done. So click all done. It will then give you this little pop-up like this, you know, so I recommend you read that. Now, if I go up to my wallet, okay, this is my wallet showing it on here, but I've also got it up here. So I open my wallet and there it is.